Welcome back, fellow investors and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the financial world of Exxon Mobil Corporation, one of the giants in the energy industry. We'll explore the numbers that drive this corporate powerhouse and uncover the key metrics that tell us how it's been performing. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of Exxon Mobil's financial health, profitability, and growth prospects. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio. Currently, Exxon Mobil boasts a ratio of 7.00 based on the trailing 12 months data and 11.50 based on the forward-looking estimates. This metric gives us a glimpse of how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of the company's earnings. A lower P/E ratio might indicate an undervalued stock, while a higher one suggests a premium for future growth expectations. In this case, Exxon Mobil has had an average PR of 15.78 in the last 5 years. So with a PR of 7 it is considered a fairly undervalued stock. While the P/E ratio can be insightful, we find that Exxon Mobil's P/G ratio isn't available. Why? The P/G ratio combines the P/E ratio with the projected earnings growth, but since the projected EPS for the next 5 years is negative, minus 10.74%, we can't calculate it. This might raise some concerns about the company's near-term growth prospects. Next, let's talk about profitability. Exxon Mobil boasts an impressive return on equity of 32.6%, indicating efficient use of shareholders' funds to generate profits. Additionally, their return on assets stands at 16.7%, showcasing their ability to generate earnings from their total assets. The earnings per share is an important indicator of a company's profitability. For Exxon Mobil, the EPS currently stands at $14.77, representing the earnings attributed to each outstanding share. Looking into the future, analysts predict an estimated EPS decrease of 8.3% for this company in the next 5 years. Income investors, listen up! Exxon Mobil offers a solid dividend yield of 3.52%. Not only that, but they have also demonstrated impressive dividend growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 4.43% over the last 10 years. This makes it an attractive option for those seeking stable returns. Operating margin is a measure of how much profit a company makes per dollar of revenue after accounting for operating expenses. Exxon Mobil's operating margin is 18.1%, showing their ability to manage costs effectively. Additionally, their profit margin of 15.6% indicates that they are turning a healthy portion of their revenue into profits. Over the past 5 years, Exxon Mobil has shown positive growth in both profits and income. This steady upward trend could be a promising sign for investors seeking long-term stability. This situation is not reflected at all in its total performance in the last 5 years, since it managed to far outperform the S&P 500. Exxon Mobil's stock has experienced an average price return of 16.13% over the last 52 weeks. This suggests that the stock has been performing well in the market, attracting investor interest. Last but not least, Exxon Mobil's market capitalization stands at a whopping $418.02 billion. This massive figure reflects the company's significant size and influence in the energy sector. Analysts predict, on average, that the price of Exxon Mobil in the next 12 months will be $121.87, which represents an upside of 17.5% compared to the current price. There you have it, a whirlwind tour of Exxon Mobil Corporation's financial performance and key metrics. From its impressive profitability and dividend growth to its positive evolution of profits and income, Exxon Mobil remains a prominent player in the corporate world. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. If you're considering investing, always do your own research and seek advice from a qualified financial professional. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating financial journey, and until next time, stay curious and happy investing.